Image generation and editing tools. We are now living in a time where you can turn simple text prompts into stunning professional quality images in just seconds. What once required a professional designer and hours of work can now be achieved by anyone with the right tool in under a minute. AI-powered visual generation has advanced so much that it's not only creative, but also highly precise, commercially safe, and incredibly controllable. Today, AI can help you enhance and restore photos, generate logos, design posters, and even build complete brand kits, all without needing advanced design skills. So let's look at some of the best tools in this category. Midjourney is widely considered the gold standard when it comes to artistic quality and creative control. It's perfect for generating visually stunning and unique images from text prompts, offering near total creative control over composition and style. DALL-E 3 by OpenAI is the most beginner-friendly image generator available. Built directly into ChatGPT, DALL-E 3 lets you refine and iterate on images through natural conversation. No technical setup needed. Adobe Firefly is a must-have for professionals who need commercial quality. It's trained exclusively on licensed content, making it the safest choice for agency and enterprise work, and works directly inside tools like Photoshop. Features like generative fill let you add or remove elements from images seamlessly.
Nano Banana is the nickname for Google Gemini, known for its fast image generation and advanced photo editing capabilities. It can transform photos into 3D figurine-style visuals and supports editing through simple natural language instructions within the Gemini app or Google AI. Key features include strong character consistency, preserving facial identity across edits, and multi-image fusion, allowing elements from up to 14 images to be combined into a single scene.
Ideogram stands out for one key reason: its ability to render text flawlessly within images. It generates images with accurate and clean text, something many other AI tools struggle with. It's the go-to for posters, logos, and social graphics. Leonardo AI is purpose-built for game developers and product designers who need consistent, high-quality visual assets. Offers fine-tuned models and character consistency across multiple generations, ideal for building cohesive visual worlds. Bing Image Creator is a fully free entry point powered by advanced AI, DALL-E. No setup, no cost, accessible from any browser. The easiest way for a first-time user to experience AI image generation. And finally, Stable Diffusion by Stability AI is an open-source tool that offers maximum customization, the go-to for developers, researchers, and privacy-conscious users. It runs locally on your own machine, meaning your data never touches an external server, giving you more control and privacy. With these tools, anyone can become a designer, turning ideas into visuals faster than ever. Let's move on to the next category: video generation and editing tools. These tools help creators produce high-quality videos with minimal manual effort while still giving you full creative control. Today, you can turn simple text prompts into cinematic clips, even full-length videos. AI can generate scenes, add effects, create avatars, and bring your ideas to life visually, all within minutes. Editing has also become incredibly efficient. AI can automatically trim clips, remove silence, and cut unnecessary footage, transforming raw recordings into polished content instantly. Some tools take it a step further, allowing you to edit videos just by editing text transcripts. Delete a word, and the corresponding video segment disappears. Subtitles? Generated automatically, with styling options and multilingual support to boost engagement. You can also convert long videos into short clips, highlights, or social media-ready content with just one click. To maintain consistency, AI can apply preset styles, including colors, fonts, and layouts, ensuring your videos always match your brand. And when it comes to audio, these tools offer text-to-speech, voice cloning, and even automatic lip syncing, perfect for narration or avatar-based videos. Now let's look at some of the leading tools in this space. OpenAI Sora, the most capable prompt-to-video model, renders realistic physical world simulation, multiple characters, complex scenes, and long coherent clips up to a minute from a single text prompt. Runway ML, professional-grade generative video suite, high-fidelity text-to-video, image-to-video, and advanced multimedia editing, the tool of choice for serious creators and production teams. Pika, fast, fun, and built for short form, generates creative clips from text or images with playful effects and quick turnaround, ideal for social-first content that needs to move fast, creative short-form videos. Invideo AI. Type a topic, get a complete high-quality videos, including scripts, voiceovers, and media, using simple text prompts. Good to create complete marketing videos and captions with stock footage from a single text prompt. Kling AI, strong competitor to Sora on physical world simulation and cinematic quality, generates imaginative, cinematic quality video with fluid motion and consistent character movement at a more accessible price point. Descript, edit video like a Word document, a revolutionary tool that allows you to edit video content by simply modifying the transcribed text. Delete a word, delete the footage. Includes AI voice cloning and overdub. Opus Clip and Pictory are automation powerhouses that identify viral-worthy segments from long-form content to create social media shorts viral videos automatically. Paste a long video URL, get a batch of short clips ranked by virality score. Opus AI identifies the most engaging moments, adds captions, and reformats for vertical in minutes. Pictory is strong for repurposing written content, blogs, newsletters, or reports into video. CapCut, the most popular free editing app for automated short-form video editing. Auto captions, trending effects, and AI background removal, all in a mobile-first interface built for TikTok and Reels workflows. With these tools, video creation is no longer limited by technical skills. Anyone can create professional, engaging content faster than ever before. Next, let's explore the category of AI audio generation tools. Today, voice synthesis has evolved to an incredible level. AI can now generate background music, clone voices, and even convert simple text into highly realistic, human-like speech.
You are too slow. I can still beat you in a race.
These tools can transform text into natural-sounding audio with accurate tone, emotion, and accents across multiple languages. This makes it easier than ever to create content for a global audience. You can replicate real human voices or even design custom voices by adjusting pitch, tone, and style. Whether it's dubbing, voiceovers, or translations, AI handles it effortlessly. And the best part? Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in just minutes, saving time while boosting productivity. But it doesn't stop at voice. AI can also generate music, beats, and sound effects from simple prompts. It can automatically mix voice, music, and effects to deliver professional quality audio. When it comes to editing, AI tools can remove background noise, enhance clarity, and balance sound levels for studio-quality output. They can even improve dialogue, fix distortions, and auto-adjust volume levels. Some tools allow you to edit audio just like a document. Simply modify the text and the audio updates automatically. You can also sync audio with video, including AI-powered lip sync for avatars and characters. Plus, features like vocal separation let you isolate voices from music and remix content with ease. And finally, these tools can convert speech into accurate text with timestamps, perfect for subtitles, podcasts, and documentation. Now, let's take a look at some of the leading tools in this category. ElevenLabs, the industry leader for hyper-realistic voice synthesis and cloning across multiple languages, clones any voice from a few seconds of audio and produces output nearly indistinguishable from human speech across 74 languages with deep emotional range. HeyGen and Synthesia creates photorealistic AI avatars, lifelike digital actors that can speak multiple languages with perfect lip-syncing multilingual voices for training videos. Great for corporate training videos with professional AI presenters. Murf AI. Studio-quality voiceovers for slide-based presentations and e-learning for marketing teams and educators. Simple interface for swapping accents, adjusting pace, and syncing narration to presentation slides. No recording setup needed. Speechify turns any document into an audiobook.
Hey there, welcome to Speechify, where you're joining 50 million people who are changing the way they read. I'm Gwyneth, and it's great to meet you. Here, you can pick from over 1,000 natural-sounding voices and easily adjust the speed to your liking.
Suno AI can actually generate complete radio-ready songs with vocals, instruments, and production from just a few text descriptions in under 60 seconds, the most complete consumer music generator available with voice cloning.
1, 2, 2. Bunt little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back.
Descript. Revolutionary text-based audio and video editing. Clone your own voice and use it to correct mistakes in recorded content. Type the correction, and the AI replaces your words seamlessly. Designed for podcasters and video editors. Edit audio and video by editing text. Auto-transcribes recordings and lets you delete, rearrange, or correct content by editing the transcript. No timeline scrubbing required. Studio Sound cleans audio with one click. DupDub. Excellent for dubbing and voice
DupDub is
cloning.
astounding. It propelled our products to a global audience. With its video transcription, translation, and dubbing capabilities, our English video can now easily connect with multiple languages.
Each of these AI tools has its own strength. The key is to choose the right tool based on your task. Join us for our next training, AI Tools Part 3, where we will dive into education, customer support, and marketing tools.